Welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today on the menu, Croque Monsieur. This is a version of a ham and cheese toasty, but in true French style we take it up a notch by adding a bechamel sauce to it. Originated in 1900s in bars and cafes in Paris, it is still today a very popular bar snacks. So for the Croque Monsieur we need a nice farmhouse loaf. We need some decent smoked ham. We also need some cheese. Today I've got some Comte. You can use Gruyere or cheddar if you want to. I've got some Dijon Mustard. To make the bechamel you need some milk, equal part of flour and butter, a little grounded nutmeg and salt and pepper. First of all, two nice thick slices of farmhouse bread to be toasted on your grill setting in the oven. After 5 minutes of grilling the bread out of the oven, beautiful. Now we're adding a little Dijon mustard. If you want, you don't have to, but I prefer it with it. Bechamel sauce, very simple sauce to make. By adding butter first in a pan, we're gonna melt the butter. When the butter starts to bubble, just add the flour. This is called a roux. So the roux is cooked and we add the milk now slowly at a time. Keep whisking. The reason we're adding the milk slowly at a time is to avoid lumps in the sauce. And the last of the milk. At that point we add a little seasoning. Black pepper, a little salt and a little ground nutmeg. Keep whisking. Bring it to the boil for 2 minutes. Sauce done. Sauce done. Put the sauce on the side. Preheat your oven 200 degrees. And now we're going to compose our sandwich. So, on the first slice, we spread a little bechamel. We add a little smoked ham. Bit of the cheese. The other slice goes on top. We spread a little bit more bechamel on the top, like so, and to finish off, more cheese. Now in the oven 10 minutes 200 degrees. Bye. After 10 minutes of baking the sandwich, you can finish it with the grill setting on your oven to give it a nice color. So after 5 minutes of gratinated the sandwich, here it comes. Beautiful. If you wish, you can add an egg on top, and this is called a Croque Madame, or you can call it a Croque Monsieur à cheval. À cheval means that you just add an egg on top of the dish. Okay? There you have it, Croque Madame with a nice glass of Merlot, for instance. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, that'd be ace. See you soon on Stef le Chef.